Hello students, we will continue the Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 5 Part 2. So what we in the previous video what we learned that Shylock has no pleasure in the feast but has decided to dine with the Christians to go to the dinner party of Bassanio, and he had a premonition of danger and he asked Jessica to lock up the house and also instructed Jessica from looking out of the windows when the Christians were in the mask procession. We will begin from here. Lancelot, I will go before sir, and I will be there ahead of you. Now, mistress, look out at the window for all this. Now, in a very low sound, whispering aside to Jessica that in spite whatever your father has instructed you, please look out of the window. There will come a Christian by, will be worth a Jewish eye. So here Lancelot tells Jessica that she should look out of the window despite her father's instructions, because a Christian will pass who is worthy to be looked upon by a Jewess. Here Jewess referring to Jessica, and Shylock says, what says that fool of Hagar's offspring, huh? So here Shylock is calling out Lancelot the offspring of Hagar, a slave woman who was a maid, it's a biblical reference, maid to Abraham's wife Sarah. Okay, so here actually servants are considered to be the offsprings of the slave woman. That is why he is calling him the foolish descendant of Hagar. Jessica, his words were farewell, mistress. Jessica said, no, he was just bidding me farewell, goodbye, and nothing else. Shylock, the patch is kind enough. Underline the word patch. Here patch refers to Lancelot. Write down. Okay, patch refers to Lancelot. Why Shylock called Lancelot a patch? Because as he is a fool who wears clown's traditional multicolored patched dress. Okay, but a huge feeder. So this is another reference for Lancelot. Okay, according to Shylock, he was a overeater. Snail slow in profit means as slow as snail in any work, and he sleeps by day more than the wild cat, means even he used to sleep more in daytime. Okay, drones hive not with me. Here Shylock compared Lancelot with drone, as calling him as lazy people. Now why he has used the reference of drone, please write down. Drone is actually a male bee which does not search for honey and lives on food stored by others. So Lancelot is called a drone, as Shylock thinks he does not do any work but eats a lot. And here actually Shylock used to say that lazy people cannot live with him. Okay, now therefore I part with him. That is why he got parted with Lancelot, and part with him to one that I would have him help to waste his borrowed purse. Now here Shylock is referring about, here 2-1 refers to Bassanio. Now here Shylock says that the clown is kind enough means good enough at heart, but he eats a lot of food. He is as slow as snail and sleeps throughout the day without doing any work, and he is like a drone, but he is happy to let that patch, that clown, go and take the employment of Bassanio. Why? Because Lancelot will help prodigal Christian, referring to the one referring to the prodigal Christian, means extravagant Bassanio, whom he would help to waste his borrowed purse. Here he is also referred to Bassanio. Borrowed purse means Bassanio also wastes his money, his borrowed money actually, I should say. So that is why Shylock is happy to know that Lancelot is now in the service to Bassanio, as he will waste Bassanio's money, who himself is living on borrowed money. Understood, students? Now, next, what is the instruction given? Well, Jessica, go in. Perhaps I will return immediately. Means he will try to return as soon as possible. Okay. Do as I bid you. Shut doors after you. Fast bind, fast find. Underline this proverb. This proverb is very important. This means if you lock a thing up, you will find it safe. A proverb never stale in thrifty mind. Underline thrifty mind. Thrifty mind referring to careful mind or careful person. So this proverb is not old fashioned, is never outdated. For a careful man means that anything that is locked is always safe. So he is instructing Jessica to not to open anything, shut all the doors and windows, and because anything that is locked is always safe. And exit of Shylock. Now the last ending line of Jessica: farewell, goodbye, and if my fortune be not crossed, means here Jessica bidding farewell to her father and saying that if I am lucky, if I am not unlucky and my luck favors me, then I have a father, you a daughter lost. Means I am going to lose my father and you are going to lose a daughter. So what does this closing line or the closing statement of the scene implies us? It means that she is running away, and if she is lucky, she will escape from her unkind father. Now students, here I want to ask you a question, that Shylock had a premonition, and what was that premonition? That something bad is going to ruin his peace, because he had dreamt about his money bags. And does it come true? Yes, actually it came true. And what was the irony when Shylock was repeatedly instructing Jessica to shut all the doors, windows, everything, not even a sound should enter his sober house? Actually this is an ironical reference. And what's the irony there? Because Shylock was thinking that under the masquerade or the mask procession, they used to rob the house, but actually robber is not the outsider. His only daughter will rob him. And the dramatic situation is that, the dramatic irony is that Jessica is not going to shut the doors. In fact, she is going to leave the house and run away with a Christian. So I hope students that this scene is very clear to you. Please go through this, and I shall continue the next scene in my next video. Thank you.